Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today I am making a crispy snack recipe, onion pakoda. These pakodas are different from the usual besan pakodas we make, and also these are quite healthy because we are not gonna deep fry it. So let's see how to make this very yummy, very crispy snack recipe today. To begin with, we'll take sliced onions. These are 3 large onions. Into this I am adding half a cup of chopped spinach, 1 cup of chopped coriander, 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Here goes half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoonful of chopped coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or Zeera, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and salt as per taste. Now we need to combine everything together. Now into this mixture we'll add half a cup of rice flour or chawal ka atta, but you need to ensure that do not add rice flour in one go. Just add it in batches and continue to mix it. If you'll add rice flour in one go, then there are chances that lumps will form in this mixture. So in order to avoid that, add flour in batches. Now we need to prepare a dough. For this, we'll add little water and we'll combine everything together. So friends, the dough is ready. Now we need to prepare small cutlets using this mixture. So we'll take a small portion of it, we'll roll it out like this. And then we'll flatten it up. Although I am making a tikki shape cutlet, you can prepare any cutlets, any shape of your choice. We have prepared one cutlet. Similarly, we will prepare all other cutlets. Our cutlets are ready. Now you have an option of deep frying these cutlets or shallow frying it. But today I am preparing these cutlets in a healthy way. We will be baking these cutlets in my air fryer. So before that, we will coat all the cutlets with little oil. This will give a nice sheen, color and make our cutlets more crispy. That's about it. Now we will place all these cutlets in my preheated air fryer. Now we will be air frying our cutlets at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until these are crispy. In between, we will flip over the cutlets once and then we will grease the other side as well. Friends, you can see how crispy these are. So friends, our very crispy, very yummy onion pakoras are ready to serve. We have not deep fried these pakoras. These are made in air fryer, so very healthy to consume. And whenever you want to try out some different snack, then you can definitely prepare this one. So friends, do try out this recipe. Let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you liked watching today's video. Give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.